Alright guys, we are going to be heading to YouTube Space. It's going to be super cool. It's called Social Thursdays and it's taking place in LA. And the only people who can actually attend this event have over 100,000 subscribers on their YouTube channel. So we're just hoping to go there and just like meet with the people, just like hang out. So yeah, we'll see and we'll learn. It's our first time and we'll bring you along with us.
Yo, what's up?
And yeah, I still think about you on my lonely nights. Cause you done picked another nigga over me, left me alone this time. But I don't feel no way, cause it is whatever. And we both know you know I'll do you better. Baby, if I'm honest, Benny Hanna's, it's the trips that I promised for Nirvana. Your nigga so useless, he don't do shit. Now I'ma spoil you a new bitch, really do this. Now I see you all jealous, I could care less. About to get some more jealous, he I pay less. I used to pay you attention, now I pay less. Baby, now I pay less, now I pay less. Got you pissed off like Chauncey, retired if you love him.
Hey guys, what is up? How's it going? This is Qazi from cleverprogrammer.com. Today we are going to check out YouTube Space, and actually we are here. So let's bring this camera around and show you guys. We're gonna go in. I don't know if they're gonna allow us to record inside or not, but we'll find out. Regardless, I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited, and I'll tell you guys what I find from there.
Amazing.
Yes.
How are you? Do you have a channel? What do you do?
I try to survive every day to the best of my ability. But my channel has to do with like teaching people how to program. So we just take people like you, normal people who may not know anything about programming, and then we just teach them how to create apps.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing. What's the name of the channel?
Clever Programmer.
Amazing. Hey,
Billy.
Nice to meet you.
How you doing? One of my really good friends' name is Billy. It warmed my heart to see another Billy in here.
He teaches people how to make an app.
How to make an app? Okay.
Yeah, I teach people how to take their ideas from their head and like make it a reality.
No bio, cause nowadays it don't mean shit if it's private. Why you texting me, telling me to get in your private? Girl, you got a nigga, but you seeing me in designer. That's when feelings switch up, now you wishing you was my partner. That's when I go dismiss you like misses, you miss your chances. Nah, you miss your chances to be riding in Benzes. No, I don't care, cause it's whatever.
Hi, who are you?
Hi, Wesley.
Wesley?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Qazi.
Qazi. Nice to meet you.
Brittany?
Yes,
Nice to meet you.
meet you.
I think I saw you coming in
Maybe.
just randomly. I was like, oh, that's a person.
I am a person. Thank you
Nice.
so much.
You're welcome. We don't get that a lot nowadays.
It is whatever. Feel no way, cause it is whatever. And we both know you know I'll do you better. Wait up, goddamn, you done had a nigga waiting. I never been in a situation. I always had the upper hand in everything.
Wow, this has been epic so far. How'd you like it? We just watched comedy, women in comedy right now. A lot of them were good.
Start was good.
Actually, there were like two or three skits that were really good.
Yeah.
Hilarious. I want to see them again. The rest of it?
Boring.
Yeah.
We have to walk out.
We had to walk out, but there were a couple of really funny ones that if you guys want, I'll share with you and you know, on YouTube. Hey guys, what's up? We just got out of YouTube, Women in Comedy. It was a really cool thing that they were showing us like comedy skits done by women, like they were directed by them. There were a bunch of them that were really funny, like hilarious. And I'd love to share some of those with you guys. So I'll like link them below this video or something if I remember. Usually I forget. But other than that, I'm gonna eat some chips. Vacation tonight. Yo, what's up, bro? How's it going? It's epic. It's my boy Tenzin on the phone. How you doing, bro?
I know you think about me on your lonely nights. Cause you seeing all this gold that I own, could've owned it. But you done chose another nigga, gotta own him. And you be sending me the text like I don't want him. No, he don't got dough, he boring. No, he don't got dough, he boring.
Nice to meet you, Mustafa.
What's your Mustafa?
Mustafa.
Qazi.
Qazi.
Kai.
Kai.
Hi.
I remember that.
Say Qazi?
Qazi, like kamikaze.
Qazi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, Alicia,
Kamikaze,
let me
there you
introduce
go.
you.
Dude, he has a ring, man. I want to get one of those.
There's no such thing as failing at something, as long as you don't give up. If you don't believe me,
Yes.
look around you. People that are successful,
Yes.
because they're the one person that won't give up. They just keep doing it.
Dude,
man.
like when I was like learning how to juggle, I learned how to juggle in one day, but that was because like there was like an 8-hour event, and the dude told me I'm like, I guess I just can't do it. He's like, don't complain till the 999th time, and I just kept doing it. Literally, like the 950th time was when I actually got it. Hey guys, what's up? So we just got done with our event at YouTube Space LA. As you guys can see, there are actually still a few more people around here chatting it up, having a good jolly old time, and the YouTube sign behind me kind of looks cool. I actually did not know that it would be there, and it was cool that we got to see it in the dark. Now this event was awesome. I learned a lot. There were awesome things. Now what is in it for you? Okay, let's say you're a programmer, you want to be a programmer, you're watching this like Qazi. How the hell is this helpful for me? Here's how this can be really helpful for you, okay? One of the best ways to get job opportunities, land job opportunities, is not always hiding behind LinkedIn like, or like GitHub or Twitter or Facebook. That's not the only place you can try to get jobs, or sending out resumes on Indeed and Monster. One of the best ways to get job opportunities, and the most guaranteed way, is to actually meet people in person. Even if you're not like the best developer in the world, if you see people in person, meet them, leave a good impression on them, they know you're a Python programmer, they're much more likely to go with somebody that they know, trust, and like, rather than some online resume. This way you can skip the line, get ahead, okay? I'm not saying you still need to have skills, but this is one very great way to get more job opportunities. So if you watch this video, maybe there are some parts where you saw me just jumping into a conversation and like talking to people. So when you go to these events, you don't have to be so like just standing in the corner, like hanging out, which is actually what I used to do, but it's a lot of fun. It's like a playground, right? You just go and meet people and talk about anything that you want. It really does not matter what the heck you actually talk about, okay? As long as you're talking, you're sharing something that you're passionate about. That's kind of the most important thing. So when you go to these events, like let's say a Python meetup, okay? If you're want to be a Python programmer, come to PyCon. I'm going to be going to PyCon this year as well. So you're going to see me there meeting with a lot of people, and if you want help, I can also help you introduce yourself to a lot of other people, okay? And just have a great time, connect with people there, build real relationships, have genuine conversation, but don't be just like a sleazy salesman with your card and just like giving it to everybody like, here's a business card, do you want this business card? Oh, don't do that. Go have a good conversation, have fun, get to know the other person, say something interesting, share your phone number or whatever, but don't be just in a rush to give that, okay? That's it for me, guys. This is Qazi. As always, I love your faces off. I hope you got value out of this video, and I'll see you in the next video.